home to the nation's second largest city, a tourist hotspot with miles of Pacific coastline. Beautiful golden beaches, diverse nature, and delicious food abound. Now, you may think I'm talking about California, but you would be wrong. This is Busan, located at the southeastern tip of the Korean peninsula. Today, we'll explore this overlooked travel gem. And we're here at our first destination, which is
Haedong Yeongguksa Temple.
We just got here to the entrance. We're super excited to explore, so let's go. It's the most beautiful temple that we've seen in South Korea so far.
Definitely.
Sure.
So far, it's been the highlight of South Korea for me.
Yeah, same.
And it definitely gets busy. So make sure if you come, try to come as early as possible.
Yeah.
They open at 5 a.m. I think.
Yeah, right around 8:30, especially 9. Tour buses with people pouring in, which kind of ruins the piece of it, but it's still, still beautiful.
It's a very interesting temple. It was built in the 1300s, then it was completely destroyed during the Japanese invasions in the 1500s, and then they just rebuilt it in the 1930s. So it's somewhat recent, definitely worth visiting. We're here at Gukje Market that comprises of several blocks, so it's super large.
Yeah, it's huge.
And as you can see, there's several different kinds of merchandising and also some street food, which is what we're on the lookout for.
Just kind of walking through, seeing something that we like, and then stopping and giving it a try, and saw some cooked octopus, which for me, as you guys know, I love octopus. So we got a little piece here to sample. We're gonna give it a try. Wow, still warm, like fresh off the grill. That's good. Texture's like chicken, with that little octopus taste. Check this out. So these are all different types of kimchi. The most traditional that we know, in the US at least, is like the cabbage, but I don't even know what these different vegetables are. All different vegetables. Fermented with chili paste. Actually looks really good. For stop number 2, we're gonna sample some of these mushrooms called soibasa. Pine mushrooms.
Oh, pine.
Thank you. So you kind of see more over here. So we just watched a podcast on a lot of the benefits of mushrooms with the human brain and other things. So here's to good health. Wow. It does taste like pine. That's weird. It has a little piney taste. Like mushroom with pine. Interesting. Those are probably some kind of special mushrooms because it's like $15 for like 5 mushrooms. So I was like, a little bit pricey. Plus we're about to leave for Singapore and we can't bring it with us, so I'd have to eat them all. So we're still on the lookout.
We've seen these everywhere in Korea, and now we're finally gonna try the mung bean griddle cake. Looks like a potato pancake, and I'm super excited to see how it tastes. Okay. All right. It came with this dip over here. I'm not sure what's in it, but we're gonna go all in.
Yeah, hopefully it's super spicy.
No. Okay.
All right.
It broke. Hold up. Okay.
All right, first impressions.
I like the dip. Sweet and soy. Probably like a sweet soy. But it tastes like deep fried. I can't describe it. I would say maybe deep fried potato pancake. It's very good and it tastes as you would expect it, honestly. but good. Thumbs up.
All right, now I'm gonna give it a try without anything. So here it is, falling apart. Oh, that's good, I like that. Like a hash brown from McDonald's, like a potato pancake. I don't know if there is potato in this. It's called mung bean, or is it like potato with mung bean? I don't know, but yeah, I think whenever you deep fry something, that's how you make it better, so it's good. All right, for about $7. Look at that. Crystallized ginger baby. This is going on the plane with me all the way to Singapore. And now for sunset, we are here at Songdu Beach, which is one of the most popular beaches in Busan, and figured, yeah, it'd probably be a good place for sunset during the summer. This place gets packed. We'll have like an image of what this beach looks like in the summer. It looks like a really cool area. Almost feels like a theme park. A bunch of bridges, those kind of, what are they called, trolley?
Yeah, there's some trolley behind us that you can go on, and there's some walkways that right now during the winter are closed, but during the summer it's open and you can go much more through the coast, and you can rent like those little pedal things. Lots to do, but still a beautiful place to be. We're super happy that we got to here before the sunset.
Now let's see what it looks like from above.
Here in downtown Busan, and what we decided to do for dinner was, instead of getting the traditional Korean barbecue, which we've already had with our friend Hae-jung back in Seoul, we're here in Busan and they're known for their seafood. So we're having Korean barbecue with a twist, and we're actually eating eel today. They haven't brought it yet, but they did bring all of these side dishes. Look at that. To be honest, I don't know what half of this is, but I'm super excited. This, I think, is a soup. There's some salad over here, some big pieces of garlic, and some other types of vegetables.
And it's one thing I really love about Korean restaurants is they basically focus on one thing. So we came in, sat down, they're like, all right, so we serve eel here. So for 2 people, here's how much it would be. Do you want rice? We're like, yeah, we want rice. Great. What do you want to drink? I was like, oh, I'll have a beer, and Allie have a soda. Done. She leaves. Comes back, boom, boom, boom. Sides are all out. We're like, oh, awesome. Within like seconds. And within 5 minutes, we already have the eel right here before us. So like, super fast. They focus and specialize on one thing, which I really love, and so far everything looks awesome. Let's see if we like it. First impressions?
It's very good. It's a mix of chicken, honestly, and some kind of fish, but I don't know. I mean, I guess whitefish or salmon. I don't know, but it has a kick of spice too. It's very good. I really like it.
Time for old Summy. Give it a try. Interesting. Wow. At first bite, it's like, oh my gosh, this is so much like chicken. Then almost immediately exactly like whitefish, like a little bit more flaky, but still a little bit. There's one aspect I don't like as much about the texture, a little bit more slimy, but it's still very good. That's the only thing is the texture. Flavor's great. The whatever kind of seasoning they use is perfect. Really good. I really like it though. Overall, it's great. It's like a mix of like chicken with the whitefish, in my opinion.
Alright, I'm gonna try a couple of these sides as well. Starting with these noodles. Here we go. It's cold. Hold on. It's spicy. Okay. First of all, the noodles are cold. I don't know why I thought they were gonna be warm. Second, they're spicy. Sweet and spicy, but more spicy than sweet. And there's this sesame taste that I love. I love sesame taste, but I was not ready for the cold, spicy noodles. But I'll give it a 6 out of 10.
Wow, what a day. And have to say, 100%, I like Busan more than Seoul, personally.
Yes, me too, me too.
Because for me, and we were just talking about this at dinner, is that everything that you can get city-wise, the nightlife, the restaurants and bars, and everything like that, in the city of Seoul, you can also get here. Because Busan's way bigger than I thought. Because it's like big and spread out. And then also on top of that are all these beautiful, like the coastline, arguably the most beautiful temple in South Korea. Just like so much to do here in Busan.
We had such delicious food, such great sights that we got to see. Not to mention our day in Gumcheon Village.
Which is part of Busan. We have a whole video about that.
Yes.
So we didn't cover it here, but that was, oh, by the way, Gumcheon here in Busan, that was my favorite time in South Korea. I don't know about you. But.
Yeah, I love Gumcheon. I also love Bukcheon Village that we went back in Seoul, but also because we got to dress up in the traditional outfits. It was really fun.
So if you want to see those videos, we'll be linking them here and in the description, so go ahead and click to view.
And as always, thank you so much for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next adventure, but until then, bye.